Welcome, your UPSC mains examination is upcoming. Let's discuss on some of the most important expected questions for your GS this time. So one very important topic is rising food inflation. A separate edition of Down to Earth has been covered onto it. We have covered that extensively. Focus that this is a really important topic. Similarly, food insecurity is another important topic. Hunger and malnutrition in India, digital public infrastructure, public accounts committee, sections from history. You can talk about the civil disobedience movement, quit India movement, India's position during Second World War, unification of Italy, cabinet mission, Cripps mission, Mountbatten's plan. So those are some contemporary topics. Then the Indian leaders who played a major role in unification and women empowerment, even tribal development. So Birsa Munda's contribution is again one of the important contributions that you must focus on. If we focus on GS paper 4, some of the important topic deal with the ethical dilemma that exists in public service, then AI's role in governance, militarization of artificial intelligence, again a very upcoming topic. Similarly, reforms in the field of elections, so electoral reforms, healthcare reforms, again very important. We have another upcoming topic these days, that is mental health and the issues related to mental health, its implication on the students. Then talking about biotechnology, nanotechnology as another field from science, focusing on the ideas of quantum computing and quantum technology, robotics and development in the field of healthcare, medical sciences. New education policy, again a very important topic from the field of education. From the social fields, you have social inclusion, social exclusion, then India, Middle East, Europe corridor being built, one road, one nation policy. So similarly, we have deep fake as one of the important topics that you must cover from AI. Also, you have digitalization of agriculture. So Vistar scheme we have covered in detail. Again, a very important concept is vaccine development. In line of monkeypox, recently the vaccinations available, the efficacy of smallpox vaccine, how future vaccine development can take place in India, and the frontiers and development for those, the patents and the filing of the patents for the same, disaster management, mitigation of disasters and application of disaster management, again a very important topic. Similarly, if we talk about economy, then recession, global economic meltdown, and similarly rising prices with changing or implications on forex or the foreign exchange reserves in India. So those are some of the important topics that you must cover for your GS. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back to us and we'll be more than happy to help you for this. So wish you very good luck, and these are some of the important sections and lectures which are available. Thanks for joining in. Have a wonderful day ahead.